The right ladder puts everything around your home or workspace within reach and is easy to store when not in use. We purchased and tested 23 ladders of various types, including step ladders, extension ladders, and multi-position ladders, in the lab in Des Moines, Iowa. Our team of testers set up every ladder, climbed its full height, and then folded it back down, taking note of the ease of each maneuver. Each ladder was evaluated for stability, ease of setting up, folding down, portability, value, and extra features. Larry Campbell, a licensed electrical contractor and member of the Spruce's Home Improvement Review Board, notes that when choosing the right ladder for your purposes, keep safety in mind with regard to height. There are many options for accessible best ladders, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I guided a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap best ladders from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best 4-step ladder. Ladders can be expensive, but we found that the HBTower 5-foot wide step folding step ladder with tool platform performed as well as many more costly ladders, but without as much damage to your wallet. Our tester praised the step ladder's sturdiness, even on slightly uneven ground, and added that it was very easy to climb up and down the wider than typical rungs. This sturdy ladder stands a bit over 5 feet when closed and has 8.5-inch deep, strong plastic rungs, which perfectly fit our tester's men's 9.5 shoes. Thanks to the top rail, you can safely stand on the 4th rung, giving you roughly 9 feet of reach. The very top of the ladder is a strong plastic platform with molded compartments designed to hold a 1-gallon paint can and a few tools. The tray can be removed if desired. Number 2. Best Little Giant ladders. No need for multiple ladders. Instead, Velocity from Little Giant gives you a step ladder, staircase ladder, extension ladder, 90-degree ladder, or scaffolding. A separate trestle kit is required, all in one. One ladder for many projects is a big win for homeowners who are short on storage space, but need access to various types of ladders. Our product tester commented that the ladder could be used in a wide variety of scenarios for projects or repairs around the home, both inside and out. The big advantage of this multi-position ladder is its rock lock adjustment system that lets you reconfigure the ladder quickly and easily. Our tester praised the ease of changing the ladder's configurations and noted that it was very sturdy and easily supported its weight in any of the configurations. Ratcheting leg levelers allow the user to safely position the ladder, even on ground that's not level. The ladder folds to a reasonable size when not in use, and the wheels make it easy to maneuver wherever you need it when duty calls, although our tester noted that it's a heavy ladder. Number 3. Best HBTower 3-step ladder. Sometimes you don't need a tall ladder, you just need a little boost. And for those times, the HBTower 3-step ladder with handrails is perfect for your needs. Says our tester, it's great for reaching high cupboards in a kitchen or screwing in a light bulb that's over your head. This sturdy ladder has a steel frame and 3 heavy-duty plastic rungs, which at 8.3 inches deep, give plenty of support for your feet. Metal handrails on both sides of the rungs as well as at the top of the ladder are covered with a shiny foam to provide even more safety and stability while using the ladder. Our tester stated that she felt very stable while climbing up and down. The ladder includes a handy detachable tool bag with 4 pockets to hold paintbrushes, screwdrivers, hammers, or other small tools. When fully open, the entire ladder, including the upper handrail, measures 55 inches high. The top ring is 27.6 inches above the floor, so you'll have approximately a 7-foot reach height, which is enough for most small tasks around the house, but not high enough for painting the tops of the walls. Number 4. Best Aluminum Telescoping Ladder. This sturdy aluminum telescoping extension ladder from HBTower unfolds to a maximum height of 12.5 feet, giving you a reach height of around 11 feet. That's high enough for many tasks around the home, including reaching most ceiling lights, painting walls, and accessing high cabinets. However, it isn't high enough to safely hang holiday lights or clean gutters on most houses. Fully folded, it's only 33.5 inches high, and our tester noted that it's light and easy to store. Despite its telescoping design, the ladder is very stable and steady. Our tester says, the ladder felt very sturdy, even toward the top, and the rungs are solid and wide enough to be comfortable. Collapsing the ladder is easy. Just press the 2 red buttons simultaneously, and the ladder slowly retracts, making it less likely you'll get a finger pinched. Our tester felt the ladder was easy to set up, extend, and collapse, and very easy to carry when fully collapsed. All in all, this is a solid choice if you only need a basic ladder for occasional simple tasks around your home. Number 5. Best COSCO 2061 AABLKE Step Ladder. For the best stability when standing atop a ladder, a platform-style step ladder with an extended frame for support and grip is your best option. And the COSCO 6-foot Signature Series step ladder won our top score for ladders in this category. Our tester noted, the overall build is secure and sturdy. I went to the top, and it did not move. The ladder has 3 regular rungs, but the 4th top rung is a large platform that measures 14.2 inches wide and 13.5 inches deep. The platform is 45 inches above the ground, and the frame extends 24 inches higher, providing a secure grip, should you need one. The reach height of this ladder is around 8 feet, making it a good choice for many projects. There's also a large tray for holding your can of paint, paintbrushes, or whatever other tools you need, and most handy of all, there's an attachment for holding a roll of paper towels. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.